everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a finger mum. Here's one I made last season. Very simple. Just goes on, you can put it on 1 or 2 fingers. And it covers the whole hand, so it's a pretty big one. I didn't do any streamers on it, so there's different ways you can make them. I just wanted to show you a finished one. Okay, I've got a piece of, this is like chipboard, like cereal box or pizza boxes. This is the end of a ribbon roll, and you can see I've already used parts of it for different things, so I always save those. So I found a couple of things that you can use to use as a template. Here's a little round trinket. I think it's about 1 3/4. Yeah, it's about 1 3/4 inch in diameter. Or this little tape measure, which I got at Hobby Lobby. They're like 99 cents. It's 2 inches. So either one would work. You can make whatever size you want. That's just the size I used. Fold it into a loop. Since it's only 3 inches, it's very small, so it's going to be harder to work with. And I'm just going to barely put it over the edge, enough that I can staple it. I want to take my scissors, line it up with the middle, and make sure that my loop is lined up. So that's how you know it's centered. Now I'm going to put one on the opposite side. You want to go north, south, east, and west. And then build off of that. So they're centered.